You were injured at work here in New Jersey and want to know what benefits you are entitled to. My name is Tanya Phillips. I am a partner at the law firm of Gaylord and Pop. I practice workers' compensation law and Social Security disability claims. If you are injured on your job in New Jersey, you are entitled to 3 benefits. The first one is medical treatment. The workers' compensation carrier must provide you with the medical treatment necessary after your injury. The second thing you are entitled to is a wage replacement. That is temporary disability benefits. This will occur after you have been off of work for 7 days. The amount you will receive is 70% of your gross weekly wage, and by gross I mean that's before taxes. That will be paid until a doctor returns you to work. The third thing you are entitled to is a permanency award. This is money that will be paid to you after you're done treating for the functional loss you have in the injured body parts. Now, this was a broad overview of the New Jersey workers' compensation system. I hope this information was helpful to you. If you have additional questions regarding your workplace accident, feel free to go to our website, and also feel free to call our firm. These are the types of matters that we handle on a daily basis. The phone number is 609-771-8611. Thank you.